Hi there, it's Keith here from Crown Digital, and we've got Ella here in SIG booth, showcasing the future of dispensing, smart dispensing, and Ella is a fully autonomous cafe, powered by robotics and AI, and we're very fortunate here today with SIG, our partner, and I believe that Thomas has just ordered a coffee. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
So we're dispensing the coffee right now, and the fresh milk is bagged in a milk and bag system powered by SIG. The idea is, how do you be sustainable? This is the future of retail. There's no need for labor. It can run 24/7 and it's sustainable. High throughput, right? Putting robots into our daily lives and just helping us. So the coffee is almost done. And we built an operating system, ordering, customization, LC, and it shows you over here, Thomas, your coffee is going to be landed here in this pigeonhole. It's coming in.
That's fantastic.
Awesome. It's contactless. And there you go. Ella, awesome.
Go for it.
Enjoy your coffee. Yeah.
Keith, tell us about the future of food, or this kind of coffee, but robotic. Where do you see it going?
Well, we're at the tipping point, right? Look, the future of food service is a tipping point. I think robots we brought Ella, right, a robot into food service, assisting us on our labor shortages in Singapore. And we had to rethink about how we can put robots and automate processes. It's a very laborious job to do this, and over here you can see, turn it around, how you use milk and bag system, right? So we looked at the entire value chain, how do you assimilate robots with smart technologies, with even packaging, right? Working with SIG on bagging them in a sustainable manner, right? So you can extract them and dispense them in a very food-safe environment, managing the SKUs, and really rethinking how food service should look like in the future. So very exciting space. Yeah.
Is it possible that we're going to see, let's say, McDonald's, Burger King, these guys without anybody, just having a robot outside?
And if you think about it, if you're ordering from a mobile app or McDonald's, right, and you're going down and just pick it up, do you really, you don't know what's happening in the background, right? It could be automated, right? It could be completely automated, yeah?
But it's not now.
It's not now, but I think this is where now generative AI and robotics, these two merging together offers a huge opportunity. And we're right at the beginning of really adopting this, right? And Ella is a very early version of how that looks like, and it's going to continue to evolve.
How old is this?
Well, we've been doing this for 5 years. From me, I was in a cafe operation.
Yeah.
And we had to build it from ground up, right? The software, the hardware, the industrial design.
So 5 years in the making, but rolling it out was how long for?
We are a startup, we got investors, but the last few years was a bit tough, on the fundings environment. But yeah, we're beginning to franchise it now. Yeah. And massive opportunity here in the Middle East. I mean, this region is booming, yeah. So a lot of demand for it. And also the technology has to mature.